Maharaji, please tell me step by step how I can calm my mind. I mean, how should I proceed? Where should I start? And up to where does it?
Improve your diet. First of all, improve your diet. Eat light, sleep. Improve. Improve in sleep means fixing 5 to 6 hours, which should be at night, and getting up at Brahma Muhurta. If you want to proceed step by step, first improve your diet. Your food should be sattvic, should be pure, and should be earned through righteous means. Secondly, improve your sleep. You should sleep for 6 hours. From 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. How much time is that? Oh yes, wake up at 4 o'clock right at the Brahma Muhurta. If you want to proceed properly and do devotional singing, those who sleep until 7, 8 or 9 o'clock, can they do devotional singing step by step? Their life is wasted. When Lord Sun rises and one is still in bed, their age, glory, and intellect are all destroyed. Those who have good food and good sleep and improve your speech, chant the name at all times, take refuge in silence. If you need to respond, use appropriate words. Do not engage in idle talk. Keep speech restrained. Listen with restraint. We should not listen to dirty talk or deceitful chatter. Instead, listen to the divine stories of God. Discuss God. Listen to the words of saints. Listen to the scriptures. So our faculty of hearing becomes pure. When each of our senses becomes pure, then our mind will engage in God. It will be engaged. And it is described in all scriptures. There is no practice superior to the 9 forms of devotion. The hearing, chanting, remembering, serving the feet of Vishnu, worshipping, bowing, servitude, friendship, self-surrender. There is no higher devotion than this. The 9 forms of devotion are characteristic of love-filled devotion. It does. But first we should improve our conduct and purify each sense. Now those who engage in adultery, have bad habits and bad conduct, and think they can pretend devotion, it cannot be true devotion. Devotion happens through pure senses. Now, those who watch dirty things on their phones, conduct themselves improperly, eat impure food, consume food from hotels, wake up at will, sleep at will, behave as they wish, spirituality cannot occur. Such conduct will lead them towards hellish downfall, not towards attaining God, will take them. So first, improve listening, improve seeing, improve speaking, improve sleeping, improve eating, and then the 9 types of devotion to God. Hold it in your heart. Listen to God, sing of God, remember God, worship God. God is our friend. God is our master. Surrender to God, offer worship, veneration, and through this, divine love is attained